Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi.
So do you all know the meaning of attendance champion? So someone who is present all 30 days in a month, including on Sunday, who are going up and down, coming and going from home. Okay, you three people also you should be present on Sunday. Okay, only then you get the attendance. Correct? On Sunday we have the speech programs. So with me I have our principal of our madrasa, Mufti Tawhid Rahman Hasmi Saab. We also have Imam Khatib of Makkah Masjid, that is Maulana Qari Yasin Hazrat. He is also the Nazim of our madrasa, right sir? Nazim-e-Talim, right? We also have our head chef and the social worker, Mr. Saddam Hussain Hazrat. Camera I can showcase here. Okay, I also have with me Abdul Zakaria, Muhammad Zakaria. He is also the class teacher, the in charge of Badri Foundation batch. So we are here to honor you all who are being present 100% for the month of June. So inshallah, as Mufti Sahib said, for the next month, everyone will get this medal. Inshallah. So our class teacher Zakaria sir will announce the names, and we will also request the dignitaries to hand over the medals. We can call out the names.
First of all, Muhammad Talha, please come.
Muhammad Talha will receive the medal from Mufti Sahib. Okay, stand like this. Mubarak Hussain, he will receive from Nasin Hazrat. Next name,
Muhammad Hassan.
Muhammad Hassan will receive from Saddam sir.
Muhammad Huzaifa.
Muhammad Huzaifa, again from Mufti Sahib. Very good, all the. And
Muhammad Amin.
Muhammad Amin from Yasin Hazrat. MashaAllah, very good. Next,
Abdul Rahman.
Abdul Rahman, we receive from Saddam sir. Very good.
And we have two students due to some sickness. They are taken.
There are there.
Yeah,
Okay,
absent.
what was?
Customer.
One more you have.
Yeah, sorry for the. Yeah, Muhammad Abbas, please come.
Muhammad Abbas, for them, the class teacher of Badri Foundation. So Zakaria will put the medal. Okay, done with that? Yeah. All the medalists come here once. Come and stand here. We'll have one photo. So you have to continue next month as well. जो ये महीना मेडल मिले उनको नेक्स्ट मंथ भी मिला है.